So hello everyone, I'm here with Loiane. And Loiane, you are the first one to be a Microsoft MVP, a Java champion, Google expert at the same time, and also Oracle Ace. So how to become a reference in the Java technology and software engineering?
I'm gonna give you the answer that I gave you offline too.
Okay.
I think reference is a very strong word. But jokes aside, I've been doing this for so long, right? My first blog post, which was a blog post about Java, how to read an XML file, was back in 2009. And since then, again, you do the math, we're 2025 right now. So it's been a long journey of doing all those things. And I've always worked with Java my entire career. So my primary technology has always been Java. But as we know, along the way, you learn about other things. You have to learn a little bit about database, right? You have to write queries. You end up learning a little bit of performance as well. You have to learn now about DevOps as well. So you know a little bit here, things here and there. And one of the other areas that I've also found along the way is also front-end, especially working with, back in the days, with Sense.js, now working with Angular. So it's sort of like expanding this universe was natural for me. I'm a very curious person, and I like to, create content about the things that I enjoy working with. So I think by doing all those things, a little bit here, a little bit in there, and having this sort of like a full stack sort of helped as well.
So you just said that this comes natural to you, but some people tend to study looking for a specific job position. Mm-hmm. So is it better if you do this naturally with things and technology that you really like to use?
I think it really depends where you are in your career. I have 20 years of experience, right? So in 20 years, 2 decades, it's a lot of time for you to learn other things as well, rather than your only, the first thing that you learn, right? And the job market is also very diverse as well. There are companies that like to hire specialists, so you can learn Java and you can work only with Java your entire career. And there are also companies that like to hire like full stacks or people that will be able to know everything, right? There is even like a full cycle term right now that you have to be able to, do end to end, from DevOps to security to development to front end and everything. So I think it really depends. What do you want for yourself and for your career? Where do you want to work? I think that's a very important question as well. And focus on that, right? For some people, as it was for me, I worked with like Java, Struts, JSF, JSP, servlets in a time where we're able to do like the full stack only with Java. And then with Web 2.0, HTML5, CSS3, things started to, segregate a little bit. We started to have like backend specialists, front-end specialists, these two new terms. And then you have professionals that started to work only with backend, professionals only with front-end, and then professionals where it was a little bit more natural to work with both of them. So I think it depends. It will be like the right answer here depending on the context.
Okay, so to finish here, just the last question. If a person wants to focus on Java and become a Java expert and maybe one day be a Java champion, what would you recommend, like one tip, the most important thing?
Always be curious, always be learning. I think Java is evolving in a very rapid pace right now. Like we just had like Java 25 release with a lot of new things. A hello world is not the hello world that we knew like 5 years ago or 10 or 20 years ago when I learned Java. So again, always be curious, be willing to learn new things. If you can and if you want, start, sharing what you are learning as well. After all, people learn in different ways. And maybe the way that you decide to explain that hello world is going to be the way that somebody that is just starting to learn Java, they will understand in the best way that they can. So there's space for everybody.
Nice. So thank you so much. It's an honor for me to be here asking you this. So my name is Luiz, and this was me asking a Java champion. Thank you.
you.